Mrs. Tolf, and I'm going to show you how to play a game called Fiddlesticks. It can also be called Oh No or Kaboom. It has lots of different names, but I love to say the word Fiddlesticks. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to put sight words, or this game has letters and sounds. You can even use math equations. Put them on a bunch of craft sticks that I just got from the dollar store, and put them inside a cup. You can make however many you want. Be sure to make a couple that have a red ending on it, because that's going to be your Oh Fiddlesticks cards. All you have to do is find a partner or two or some family members and you can start playing. First thing you do is you just take turns drawing a card. So I chose this one. You can say the letter, like R, or the sound, R, or you can even say a word that starts with that beginning sound, like rabbit. You can play with sight words or math equations, whatever you'd like. If you know it, you get to keep it. Next, it's my friend's turn. Oh, Fiddlesticks! What they do is they take their cards and they put it back into the bin, and then you go on to the next one. I hope you have fun playing the Fiddlesticks game.